Hi guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to my channel. I have a video for you guys today, and today I will be doing a reveal for the Club Lala Lands Crafts August 2020 kit. And this is a monthly subscription kit, so I wanted to show you what comes in this kit, and I was lucky enough to be invited as a guest designer for August, and let's get started on what's included in this subscription kit. So you will be getting 2 stamps, and then they are cling mount rubber stamps, and one of them is Movie Night Marcy rubber stamp and the other one is Comfy Chair rubber stamp. And then also you get 2 sets of dies. So let's talk about the first set here, and this is Movie Night Marcy, and that's what she looks like in her cute little outfit holding a popcorn bowl. And then you also get 2 critter images, a dog and a cat, as well as 2 sentiments, binge, watch, and chill, and then also movie night. So I don't have the rubber stamps in front of me, but I did have the images, so those are the images in that first set. And then the second set of rubber stamps is the Comfy Chair rubber stamp. So you get this really nice big couch here that you can decorate, paper piece. You can also color it and do all sorts of patterns. And then I love how the images, you could color them, fussy cut them out, and then just set them in any position you want, on the couch, on the floor. You just have so many possibilities. So that is that stamp set, and then you have 6 sentiments that go along with that image. So now on to the dies. The first set is the popcorn die, and then you can see here you have the popcorn topper, and then 3 popcorn kernels, and then also the stitched popcorn container. That magnetic sheet there does not come in the kit. I just put my dies there. So here is a sample of that popcorn container there with the stitching detail. There's the popcorn topper, and then as far as the popcorn kernels, you get a small, medium, and a large. So you can cut as many as you want and use as embellishments on your card. So the next die you get is the retro TV die, and I really love how big this TV set is. And then you could also cut it with pattern paper or different color cardstock. So it also comes with these circle knobs here that you can cut out and glue on the TV. And then also it comes with this round base and these 2 antennas for the TV, and you can place it any position on the TV. And then lastly you get this VHS VCR recorder equipment there, and then also the remote control. So here I cut it out of black cardstock, and you can see it has that little VHS tape slot there, and then all the buttons, the stop, play, rewind, and so forth. And then also here it is in white cardstock, and I just took that black piece of cardstock and inserted it into that white cardstock. And then here is the remote control. Hopefully you can see the detail. It has the buttons on the top and bottom, and yeah, it just makes a great accompaniment to your TV dies. So those are the dies that come in this kit. You get the retro TV die, and then you get the popcorn die. You also get those 2 stamp sets, and again they're cling mount rubber stamp sets. And then this is a monthly subscriptions kit that you subscribe to on a monthly basis, of course. And then there's also 3 options. The first option is to get the whole kit, and that is $39.99 a month. And then the second option is just to get the stamps by themselves, and that is $19.99 a month. And then lastly, if you don't want the stamps, you can also just get the dies by themselves, and that is at $29.99 a month. So I'll put a link to all the information regarding this monthly subscription kit in the description box below, and let's get started on the project that I made for you guys. So this is the first card that I made. It is a shaker card, and I made it to look like maybe a popcorn machine. So here is Movie Night Marcy. I colored her with some Copic markers in her cute little loungewear. There is the popcorn die on the right, and then you can see I colored it with some Distress Oxide ink, mustard seed, and then to the left of that popcorn die cut there, I made a larger version just by putting several together, and then also topped it with that topper cut out several times. And then here as well, using the popcorn container, I reversed it, put it upside down, and made this cute little awning. And then I added some double stitched stars there. The sentiment I used is movie night. And then inside of the shaker portion there, I put some of the popcorn kernels and placed them on some foam dots. The shaker window itself is made out of the stitch rectangles die, and then also inside the window I used the large stitch tags die just to get that stitching detail, and then I filled up the shaker portion with some gold stars. So that is my first card for you guys. And then the second card, I made this cute little tag card here. Here is Movie Night Marcy, and I colored her with Copic markers. There is the cute little couch there with the French bulldog. There's the remote control. The sentiment that I used, it is the "For My Cherished Friend." And then also there's the retro TV die there, as well as the VCR and antenna. Also with this monthly subscription kit, you will be getting exclusive tutorials from the design team with their projects. So my tutorial will be on this tag card here with Movie Night Marcy and the couch. And then also, I forgot to mention, all the dies and stamps are exclusive to this kit, so they will not be available in the store for about 6 months to a year. So it's very exclusive. If you guys really want these images and dies, you must subscribe and get the monthly subscription. So if you're interested in signing up for this monthly subscription kit, you have till August 30th to be eligible for this August 2020 kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed my project and my video revealing what's included in the August 2020 Club La La Land Crafts kit. And then again, I'll put all the info and links in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon back on my channel with more inspiration using this particular kit, as well as maybe some Copic marker tutorials on how I colored some of the Marcy's on these cards. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.